Welcome to Blue Atlantic Oceanfront Hotel and Suites, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Just blocks from many Myrtle Beach attractions, including Family Kingdom Amusement Park and 2nd Avenue Fishing Pier. Discover Broadway at the beach, Ripley's Aquarium, and the Market Common. We also offer oceanfront rooms, partial oceanfront rooms, and rooms with private balconies, ensuring that we have just the right kind of accommodation for you. Enjoy the Alabama Theater and more than 120 golf courses. Wi-Fi is available in all areas. In-room amenities include a microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, hairdryer, and television with cable service. When you stay with us, you'll be treated like an honored visitor by our well-trained hospitality industry professionals. www.blueatlanticmb.com